Oh shit, mga kaunggoy, lalaroin na naman natin to. Bartender pero ibang version naman to, mga kaunggoy. Bartender the Celebs Mix. Actually pareho lang to, pero iba to sa yung unang nilaro natin na online Alak tutorials. Pero holy shit, what could this ano kaya pinagkaiba nito, mga kaunggoy? So Alak tutorials online part 2. Sige, try natin to. Pwede ba i-off yung music? Baka may copyright eh. Let's start, you know. Let's give them customers the most delicious cocktail that they can ever find, mga kaunggoy. Select your client. Ooh, may client na. Ba't ayaw mag-ano nitong botones ko? Okay, dress. Ano itong dress up? Oh, shit. May mga bagong new features. Ayos ba itong lighting, mga kaunggoy? Okay na yan. Yeah, okay na yan. Okay, so wala pa tayong pwedeng bilhin, so never mind this shit. Let's just get straight into the action, yeah, John. Oh, Mago, I'm gonna love this Mago. Alrighty, let's do this. Hello, it's me, Big Mago. Actually, alam mo, i-rename natin tong batang to. I don't like Miguel, you know. That's too much of a, you know, generic name. Let's change Miguel into Mago, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, it's me, Mago. Today I will work at this 5-star hotel bar. Miguel, for the test, can you make a mystic marble? What the hell is a mystic marble? Mamaya na lang natin alamin. Of course, your wish is my command, sir, Mago. Pro bartender Miguel. Si Mago pro bartender lang. Ako bartender level 100, mga kaunggoy. What the hell is a mystic marble? What? Okay, what the hell? No. Okay, the clue. Okay, anong mga clue yun, mga kaunggoy? So, kailangan... Okay, let's test this out, okay? The clues are useless, mga kaunggoy. Ano ba nilagay ko? Okay, try natin gin. The good old-fashioned gin, ladies and gentlemen. Walang sunog-sunog, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Piling ko pineapple juice, mga kaunggoy, okay? Oh! Okay. What? No! Okay, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Ano ba yung kasing shape nito, mga kaunggoy. So, so hindi to katulad nung isang laro, yung bartender make right mix. Yung laro na muntikan na ako maputokan ng ugat dito. No? Bad trip yung laro na yun, joke lang. Okay. Let's put some ice, ladies and gentlemen. Putang init. Wait, what will you add? Ito yung gusto kong i-add. Paano ba to? What? Let's put a lime garnish. Garnish. Kasi mas alam ko yung garnish eh. Okay, let's see what this is. Ay, hindi mo na makokontrol yung shake to, Karuli. Okay? So, nagsabihin na, does he love it? Does he like it? Gusto niya ba yung ginawa ko? Alak mix? I feel your passion. Too much passion. A lime juice will be better. Can you do it better? Rating, no star. Okay, you fat piece of shit. Okay, ulitin natin to ulit mga kaunggoy, no? Ganun ulit, katulad ng huling episode, 3 tries, no? Look at his fucking face. I hate this guy already. Nakakainis na siya. Oh no, poor Maggle. Okay, so tama yung lime juice. Unahin kaya natin yung lime juice. Lime juice, ladies and gentlemen! Haha! Okay. Ano ba yun? Ano ba tong dalawang to? So, hindi ito. At hindi rin ito. Hindi, wait, what? So, hindi rin yung gin. Okay, try natin to. Haha! Look at that fat piece of shit. Ikaw kaya maghalo nito? Unggoy! Okay. Pop. Clue. What the hell is this? Sige, lagyan natin to. Sana tama to. Ice. Come on. Wait lang, hindi na katulad ng dati yung pwede mo i-shake thoroughly ng kung gaano katagal mong gustong gawin. That's lame. Okay, will this son of a bitch like it? Wait. Well, at least he doesn't like it. Ay, hindi. Well, at least nasunog siya. It clearly shows na hindi niya kaya yung awesomeness na ginawa ni Maggle. Na ginawa ni Manong Jireh. Manong Jireh, level 100 bartender, made the greatest cocktail of all time na hindi niya kinaya na nasunog siya. Haha! Iigil ako eh. Ano ba talaga gusto nitong hayop na to? Wait lang. Buwisit mo din tong bani eh. Okay, alam ko na yung mga gagawin ko mga kaunggoy. So, what is this? Oh. How much though? What even hell is a Mystic Marvel? Is that even a cocktail mga kaunggoy? Totoong cocktail ba yun? What is the other one? So baka kahit ano pwede mo ilagay. So, sige, lagyan natin ng phlegm syrup. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. This is shaping up to be the best friggin' cocktail of all time. Okay. Come on! Greatest bartender of the world! Level 100 bartender! Level 100 bartender! What the hell do you want? Alright! It is on! It is on! Okay, mga kaunggoy. Last try. This is gonna be the last try. Alright? If this shit doesn't work, I'm done. Okay. Let's focus. Okay? Ilagay na natin to. Okay, what's next? Okay? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Let's just assume na ito yun. Or what? No! Lamb juice, ladies and gentlemen. Lamb juice. More lamb juice. More! Right? Fuck, I'm not sure what the hell. Okay, lagyan natin ito. Konti lang. Boop. Alrighty. Nakita niyo yun? Parang may ginagawa siya. Ba't ngayon ko lang napansin yun? Ngayon ko lang napansin yun. Ha? Etong matabang to, mga kaunggoy. He doesn't know shit. He doesn't know a good ass cocktail when he tastes it. Let's give him. Alright. You piece of shit. Huh? Okay? Okay, lagyan din natin ng garnish kasi naawa ako sa kanya eh. Oh, okay? Fuck you. Okay? Huh? Okay, ayan. That's what you get, you fat piece of shit! Classic, wow, I'm going. Classic. That's what you get. Well, Mago, at least you came out swinging. You came out like a badass, Mago. No, this fat piece of shit, mga kaunggoy, he deserved that. Like he doesn't know a good ass tasting cocktail when he sees it, mga kaunggoy. So he deserved that one. I see this as a win. This was a win, mga kaunggoy. You know, fuck this man. Mago, I'm proud of you. You're doing a good job. You did a good job. You're a badass. Right? I hate this man. Alright, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Kung nagustuhan nyo na naman tong kalokohan na to na Alak tutorials online, comment down below kung gusto nyo. Like, comment, share, subscribe, or whatever. And that's the bottom line, because Manong Jireh said so. Shut peace. Actually, alam nyo mga kaunggoy. Okay. I've had enough of this piece of shit. I had enough of this crap. Let's give him a wang wang before he gets out of this shit. Alright. Nasaan lahat ng mga alak nyo? Okay. Bigyan natin siya ng wang wang before we go. Before I go. Vodka. Yan. Okay. Walang yelo. Walang yelo, mga kaunggoy. Puro natin ibibigay sa kanya. Let's see how you like wang wang, bitch. Let's see how you like wang wang. Let's see if this bitch can handle wang wang. Because Manong Jireh said so, bitch!